fifth day of songwriting.
So today we've been doing, well, we've been working on what sort of music we're going to be doing. And the topic, songwriting examples.
Structure of a song.
We were able to do the lyrics. It was good.
Wait guys, that's the name of the song, but it's about dogs.
That's a high microphone.
Ka-chow.
Made a melody for most of the song, except for which we recorded most of the song.
We recorded the chorus, first one, the pre-chorus, and we did half of verse 2. We had lunch and morning tea.
We actually
Of course we did.
We actually meant to do something though.
Bye.
Well, we finished off recording.
We did our storyboard. We did more stuff. We had lots of fun.
Tomorrow we're hopefully gonna start recording. We filmed the music video and had to bring our photos and toys.
Is this going on YouTube?
We did flying. We got. We set up the office.
We got music
And I liked it.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
The songwriting program was good. I enjoyed it. I recommend it.
I really enjoyed the songwriting program, and my favorite thing was songwriting.
We only had 5 days to film us, so be nice. Most people have a year.
Well, the program was fun. We ended up having to do the bed scene like 4 times, and it was just really funny.
Hey, can I get a cheese bag of extra fries and extra cheese?
Bye, like and subscribe.